everything always happens for a reason. I guess it was never meant to be, but it's just something we have no control over, and that's what destiny is. But no more worries, rest your head and go to sleep. Maybe one day we'll wake up and this will all just be a dream. Now, little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright. Stiffen that upper lip up, little lady. I told ya, daddy's here to hold ya.
There it is again. I don't understand it. Everybody, even you, my old teacher. Why does everybody look at me like that all of the time? I'm not just a nuisance or some kind of germ, I'm a person too! I am! I'm Naruto Uzumaki, don't forget it!
Stuck them under the tree and said some of them were from me. Cause daddy couldn't rhyme. I'll never forget that Christmas. I sat up the whole night crying. Cause daddy felt like a bum. See, daddy had a job, but his job